Sati has a distinct and very exotic taste. It has become widely known. Even Zamboangueños are identifying Sati as their breakfast meal. When you think of Zamboanga, you automatically also think of Sati.
Yung mga kabataan, gustong-gusto nila mag-try ng mga bago. So pag may mga turista or mga local, gusto nila subukan din kasi, oh, bago to, masarap, maanghang, exotic. Gusto nila matikman yung authentic talaga na pagkain ng mga Muslim. I'm Norana Yasin, manager ng Vital Mal Restaurant.
My name is Halal. I am the marketing manager of Denny's Coffee Garden.
In Zamboanga, we have so many halal cuisine here. Ang dami natin pwedeng i-promote sa Zamboanga. Most especially Muslim products and all of our products as well. Like pag may mga bisita from Manila, from all parts of the world who goes to Zamboanga, they are serving this food like the chula itum, the coracho with olive sauce, like our local sati, which is one of my favorites. Well, it's really different. Alam mo naman in Zamboanga, you really can find the ingredients here. So, mas rich in flavor siya compared to other parts of the Philippines. In Zamboanga, dito kasi lahat eh. If you really find the ingredients, freshness, everything is here. So, our local sati is masarap siya. Like me, siguro sa once a week, I eat sati. Almost, siguro 3 times a week. Kasi you crave for it eh. Once nakain mo siya, you crave for it. At the same time, the chula itum, kinikrave mo siya kasi medyo manghang siya. And the flavor is really different and distinct. Yun nga sinasabi ko, my friends from Manila and all parts of the Philippines, you try to go to Zamboanga and try to eat our local cuisine here, most especially halal cuisine, kasi it's really different from all other dishes. You can only find it in Zamboanga.
The Denny's Coffee Garden in Balawasan started in August of 2015. Initially, it started in 1962 by the family matriarch in Holo in the province of Sulu. It was called Omar's Place and it grew into several branches as it became Denny's Coffee Shop, and now it has an upscaled version here in Zamboanga.
Vital Mal Restaurant came from Basilan, which is, yung mga tao po doon is mga yakan po talaga. That's why I mix my attire para ma-match up po. Kasi we are tausug naman po, but we are from Basilan. Yung Vital Mal Restaurant, yung meaning niya po talaga, it's from Arabic word Baitul Mal, which means house of wealth. Makikita nyo po sa restaurant namin, puro yellow, golden, and all, kasi mga puros gold talaga yung nandun sa amin.
Tausug food are known for their exotic taste. The cuisines are spicy. The important factor that the people looks for in a Tausug cuisine. Here in Zamboanga, Sati has become widely known. When you think of Zamboanga, you automatically also think of Sati. It's to relate to the Zamboangueños and to share with the rest of the Philippines and the rest of the world that this is a Tausug cuisine that is widely known in Zamboanga. Sir Von here will show you how to prepare the sati. We source all of these from a farm here in Zamboanga. We make sure na malinis and going through the right and halal process.
Yung tula itum po talaga from Vital Mal. We are using authentic, local, organic products, kagaya ng pamapa itum. Kami po mismo talaga yung gumagawa. Seasonings and all. Source of ingredients po namin is local market. Dito lang po sa Zamboanga City. tula itom po is usually served during special occasion. Sasabihin pa yan sa'yo ng kaibigan mo, uy, pakasal ka na para makatikim naman ako ng tula itom, di ba? Ganon yung parang biruan sa amin. That's why yung Vital Mal restaurant serving this kind of dishes para hindi lang sa special occasion nila matitikman. Kahit gusto nilang everyday, pwede po nilang matikman.
Sa pagkain, ang tinitingnan ko yung halal. Para sa non-Muslims, kung ma-taste ng tao, it is almost the same. Hindi naman magkakalayo yung taste ng tao. Kaya lang siguro dahil hindi na-introduce ng maayos. At hindi lang actually for Muslim, dahil halal, it's cleanliness, nandun din makikita mo eh. Para sa amin kasi, meron kaming paniniwala na mayroon siyang halagahan sa aming katawan.
Yung vision po namin is to become the pioneer food chain here in Zamboanga City. And not just in Zamboanga City, but in entire Philippines. I'm encouraging them na i-promote lalo para matikman ng ibang kung anong meron tayo na wala sa iba.
We have a vision to become a world-class cafe that upholds legacy and culture. We want to open more branches to share our products and offerings and our story with the rest of the world.